File Approvals is an app that gives Jira users the power to leave feedback on files, allowing knowledge to flow across their team. Jira comments have great features for communicating thoughts, but don't have a way to add context that is needed when discussing files, such as markup. File Approvals creates a space where team members can discuss files in a more streamlined way and track their status. Beyond the feedback screen, File Approvals deeply integrates with Jira to give users features like searching with JQL and setting up automations. Let's take a look at how simple it is for team members to kickstart a file approval. Everything starts from the File Approvals field. This issue doesn't have any file approvals yet, so let's create one from an existing attachment. Here I see a list of all the attachments on the issue. I'll pick the most recently uploaded attachment to create the file approval from. You can see that within a matter of seconds, I'm viewing the actual attachment's content, and to the right is a place for all the feedback related to this attachment to live. I really love this specific star, so I'll circle it, automatically expanding the comment box, allowing me to leave my feedback. Because comments on file approvals are native Jira comments, I have all sorts of formatting tools at my disposal, such as adding emojis and mentioning other users to notify them. They also show up in real time while this screen is open. If I go back to the issue view, you'll see that the comment I just left on the file approval also shows up in the issues comment section and shows which file approval and version it was left on. What I've shown so far barely scratches the surface, so let's take a look at some more helpful features like advanced PDF tools, customizing markup, and setting the status. For PDF files, users can navigate through each page with ease, or jump straight to any page, useful on larger files. If you don't know where in the file something is, you can easily use the search tool to locate it. Users can click internal links in the PDF to navigate around, or web links to open web pages in a new tab. The text tool can be used to select text for copying and pasting into comments. The layout of pages can also be customized based on the user's needs. Sometimes a simple black line is not enough. It may get lost in the content or not convey exactly what you mean. Changing the line thickness gives you the freedom to mark up anything, from underlining the smallest text to completely blocking something out. Different colors can be used to convey different meanings, or just to help improve visibility. If users still want the subject of their comments to be visible under the markup, they can reduce its opacity, perfect for highlighting text. File Approvals detects lines and boxes, and presents an option to quickly tidy markup with a single click. Now we've reached a point that it's clear there needs to be some changes made, so let's set the status to declined. Doing this makes it more obvious for others that something needs to be done, and can trigger any automation set up against the File Approvals field. There isn't enough time to cover everything that File Approvals offers, so let's quickly cover off some more features we really wanted to tell you about. First-time users are given helpful onboardings the first time they add markup or set a status. Users can see what version they're viewing, then click to see details about each version, or even switch between them. File approvals can easily be renamed. Comments can be edited and deleted from within the feedback screen, based on the user's permissions on those comments. The layout of pages can be changed, for example, to see lots of pages at once. More advanced page layouts, like spreads, are available for documents with a cover page. Selecting markup selects the comment it's attached to, and scrolls it into view. Markup from other comments fades into the background, highlighting only the selected comment's markup. You can even click through the markup for a comment. Files that aren't supported can still be discussed without an in-app preview. The count of file approvals and their status is shown based on a hierarchy. If any file approvals on the issue are in progress, the field will show them. If there are none in that status, it will fall back to declined and then finally to approved. Manage all the file approvals on an issue on one screen, add new versions, delete file approvals, or delete just the latest version. Admins can set custom status labels, which are shown wherever a status is shown, such as the issue navigator, in exports, and on cards. Admins can give any user permission to update the status of file approvals, and even limit updating the status to just those users. Users can use JQL to search for issues based on the overall file approval status, or on the number of the file approvals in each status. You can even use it to set up automations for when file approvals are updated. The entire app supports different themes, making it feel just like any other part of Jira.